Why are you?
Hey.
Why are you wearing a?
All rise. The Honorable Judge Porter is presiding. Court is now in session. Morning.
Good morning, everyone. Please be seated. Jeff, good morning, sir.
Good
How
morning,
you doing,
good morning. It's hot out there, right?
Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
Yeah.
We're here for case number 3135, City of Mango Park versus Natalia Dragovic. Ms. Dragovic, can you please come to the podium? Do we have a representative from Mango Park here? Do we have a Ms. Dragovic here?
Oh.
Hi.
Before we even step into this courtroom, let me set the stage because what you're about to witness is not your average traffic case. We've got a judge who does not play when it comes to courtroom respect and a defendant who walks in like she's stepping onto a runway instead of into a legal proceeding. From questionable attire to bold comebacks and even a Lamborghini excuse that might be one of the wildest we've ever heard, this case spirals fast. The real question is this confidence? Stick around because this one takes a turn you won't see coming. That might seem minor, but in a courtroom, it's everything. Appearance and respect. Courtrooms operate on strict decorum rules, and wearing sunglasses indoors, especially in front of a judge, can be interpreted as dismissive or even defiant. But the real shocker, this isn't just about fashion. It's about credibility. Whether we like it or not, how you present yourself in court can influence how seriously your case is taken. So let me ask you, do you think the judge is overreacting here? Gawking? Or is this exactly the kind of standard that needs to be enforced? 3. Now, this moment right here might seem small, but it's actually a huge deal in courtroom etiquette. Chewing gum and worse, placing it on the judge's podium is considered extremely disrespectful. Judges expect a certain level of professionalism, and actions like this can quickly shift the tone of the entire case. Notice how the judge pauses everything to address it. That's not random. He's reestablishing authority. And honestly, this is where things start to spiral. Because once a judge feels disrespected, your impact how they perceive everything else that follows. Would you have handled this differently if you were in her position?
Hi.
Oh, I know you lying. Miss Dragovic, ma'am. You are Miss Dragovic?
Yeah.
Okay, first off, why are you wearing sunglasses in my courtroom? Is the sun in here or something?
Sorry, it's for style.
Okay. Second thing, why are you?
Hey.
Why are you wearing a bikini top and short shorts in my courtroom?
A bikini top?
Yes. Why are you dressed like that?
Your Honor, I just come straight from the photo shoot. Like, time is money.
Let some things.
What is going on here?
Hey, don't you have a woman at home, or did you forget that?
I still have eyes.
You remember that this is being recorded, right? She might see this.
I still got eyes.
Can we begin, please? I have place to be, okay?
Ma'am, why are you dressed like that?
Your Honor, I come straight from the photo shoot.
What
And honestly, like, look at this place. I bring at least some touch of aesthetic in here.
She couldn't help it, Judge. She couldn't help it. She had a photo shoot.
I
had a photo shoot.
Are you chewing gum in my courtroom?
Yeah.
Ms. Dragovic,
I'm sorry. You're right. I'm sorry. Let's just begin. Like, whatever you say, let's begin.
Hold on. Wait, before we even get started on this, you're going to take that gum off my podium. I don't care where you put it, but you're taking that gum off my podium. If you got to swallow it, I don't care. Get that gum off my podium.
Can you?
Yeah,
Do you have
hold on. No. Oh, my God. Here, I got a piece of paper. Here.
You're making so much drama because of the gum?
Oh man.
Give me a second. Woosha.
Are you okay?
Woosha.
Maybe he
Okay.
needs some water.
Okay, Ms. Dragovic, ma'am, you don't wear that type of attire to court. Now, I do understand you said that you were running late and you had a photo shoot, I believe you said. But when you come to court, you have to dress in a more presentable manner. And I'm assuming you're a model or something like that.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. I just didn't think that I should bring
but
like a
ma'am,
business
you can't,
clothes on my photo shoot.
You have to be somewhat, at the very least, business casual.
Do you have like a t-shirt for me or
Something to
something?
wrap. Do we have a wrap or anything?
Not that I know of.
No, I'm sorry. We're just gonna have to
I
let
mean,
it.
Your Honor, I get paid for photo shoots in the bikini, so you should appreciate that. Seriously.
Yeah.
Let's just have a moment of appreciation for the beauty.
Appreciation.
He gets me.
Yeah.
You know what I appreciate? I appreciate people coming to my courtroom on time, which you did not do. I appreciate people who come into my courtroom properly attired, which you are not. I appreciate people who do not take their gum and put it on my podium, which you did. I appreciate my wife, so excuse me if I offend you, but you are not attractive to me. I'm sorry.
Oh, wow, okay.
Now, I don't mean
I
to
guess
offend
everyone
you.
can have a bad taste. What can I say?
The judge is no longer just addressing behavior. He's making a statement. He lists out every issue: lateness, attire, gum, and overall conduct. This is what we call a pattern of disregard. And in legal settings, patterns matter. It's not just one mistake. It's a series of choices that build a narrative. And the defendant's responses, they're not exactly helping her case. Instead of de-escalating, she leans into sarcasm and confidence. Now, here's the real question. Is she being unfairly judged for her personality, or is she digging herself deeper with every response? 5. Here's where the actual legal issue comes into focus: speeding in a school zone. And this is serious. School zones have reduced speed limits for a reason: safety. It doesn't matter if there are kids visible or not. The law applies during designated hours. Her argument that no one was there might sound logical on the surface, but legally it doesn't hold up. And then comes the claim that the officer stopped her because she looked hot. That's
Pretty attractive to him, right? Your Honor,
you trying to get on my bad
apologize.
side?
I apologize. You know what? I don't want to get arrested.
Oh, you're
Again?
getting close to it.
So I'm sorry if I was a little bit too much.
Ma'am, you are here because of traffic tickets. Apparently, you were speeding through a school zone. Am I reading this correctly?
Yeah, I guess it was a school zone.
And why were you speeding through a school zone?
But I wasn't even speeding.
You weren't speeding?
Yeah, the officer stopped me because I looked hot.
How would the officer know you look hot if you're
Because my roof
driving-
was off. My roof was down.
You were
You could
driving
see me. I was driving. My hair was like,
So you were driving a
Stopping.
convertible and you're saying
Yeah.
he stopped you because you look...
Why else? Because I wasn't driving too fast. It was like 40 kilometers or something.
Okay, ma'am, you were going through a school zone.
Yeah, but there
The
were no
school
kids.
zone is 15 miles per hour. Are you aware of that?
But there were no kids. No one was there. The street was empty.
I understand that, but between a certain time, you have to drive a certain speed.
Well, I'm
And
still on European time. Maybe that's why.
And you know what? Like you said, maybe the odometer on your car was set for kilometers versus miles per hour.
That's
But here's the
probably
problem.
why. Well, it's Italian
But here's the
car.
problem, though. Here's the problem, though. The speed limit is 15 miles per hour in a school zone.
a bold defense, but without evidence, all over 6, it's not going to carry much weight in court. What do you think? Does she genuinely believe this, or is she just trying anything to get out of the ticket? Now, this is actually one of the more interesting parts of the case. the unit conversion argument. The judge even gives her the benefit of the doubt, suggesting maybe her speedometer was set to kilometers instead of miles per hour. But here's the twist. Even after converting the numbers correctly, she's still over the limit. That's what makes this defense fall apart. It's a good example of how technical explanations can sound convincing, but ultimately the math has to check out. And in this case, it just doesn't. So now the question becomes, is this confusion or chai yuri and jurse hanshidi or just another excuse? 7. All right, this might be the most unbelievable defense yet. A Lamborghini doesn't go slow. And comparing a car to an eagle, saying slowing down feels unnatural. It's creative. I'll give her that.
Even if you were to convert that from miles per hour to kilometers per hour, that still comes up to 25 miles per hour, which is still 10 miles over.
Oh, that's what happened.
Yeah,
so I did the conversion wrong. I'm so sorry.
Even if you do the conversion right, you're still going 10 miles over the speed limit through a school zone.
Your Honor, I'm sorry about this. I didn't mean to do that. It just happened because this car is very fast. And sometimes when I wear shoes like that, I don't really feel the pedal. So when I press, it just goes, you know?
I understand. It's the shoes.
Yeah.
It's the shoes.
Yeah.
Like Air Jordans. It's the
Yeah.
shoes. It's the shoes. Yeah, it's the shoes.
Just shoes.
I understand that.
Thank you so much. for
Okay.
understanding.
Give me a second, ma'am. Okay. And you got another ticket here for failure to yield.
But that was not true because I yielded. I remember 100%. I saw the store, okay, and there was this window reflection, and I looked at myself. I yielded. I had a moment to pause because I appreciated my hair that day, like really big time. So I did yield. I didn't even have a picture.
I believe her.
Yeah, you can see that intersection on the picture.
I believe her.
You took a selfie at an intersection. Am I hearing that correctly? Basically.
Well, I yielded
You
because there was a store,
Uh-huh.
okay, and there was my reflection in the window. You know, I'm
And
driving
you
a
took a
Lambo,
picture, and you wanted
and
to
it's
take a picture of
convertible.
you while you. Lord have mercy. Okay, Miss Dragovich, ma'am. Look, oh gosh. Okay. Look, ma'am. I don't have a representative from Mango Park here. I don't have the officer here to testify in
He can do
relation
that?
to. No, ma'am. He's the bailiff. He's here for the courts. This is not the officer that you dealt with on the street.
Oh, okay.
As far as the failure to yield, I don't have a testimony for that. So I don't know how detrimental that failure to yield. I don't even know what you failed to yield to because I don't have someone here to say she did this.
Thank God he didn't show up.
Okay, now as far as the speeding ticket though, that
Your Honor,
yes, ma'am.
James,
I'm sorry, what'd you call me?
by your name, so we like closer.
No, my name is Judge Porter to you.
Sir, Judge
Unless
Porter.
you are Mrs. James Porter, you will not call me James.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Unless
so,
you
Sir,
are my
Judge
bailiff,
Porter.
you will not call me James.
I don't even call you James.
I'm sorry. I didn't know that because, I mean, in Europe, it's okay to do that. We
Are
become
we in
friends.
Europe or are we in Mango Park?
Yeah. Well, Sir, Judge Porter, I drive a Lamborghini. I want you to understand this. Lamborghini doesn't go slow. Okay? So it's literally like asking an eagle to walk. How can you drive Lamborghini slow? And a convertible. If I slow down, I feel hot. Even though, I mean,
So you're
very
telling
hot.
me you have some type of Lamborghini Spider, correct? And you also said that it's like asking an eagle to walk?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because
Let me
they
ask
don't
you
go
this
slow.
question, ma'am.
If you want, you can drive. It's parked outside.
Let me
the
ask
court.
you a question, ma'am. Can an eagle walk?
No.
But legally, it's completely irrelevant. The law doesn't change based on what you drive. In fact, if anything, driving a high-performance vehicle comes with more responsibility, not less. And the judge's response about birds walking, that's not just humor. It's a subtle way of dismantling her logic. So let's be real. Does this argument help her case at all, or does it just make things worse? 8. In the end, this case comes down to a simple but important principle. The law applies equally to everyone, no matter your lifestyle, personality, or the car you drive. Despite the distractions, the outfit, the attitude, the excuses, the judge focuses on the facts. Speeding in a school zone is a clear violation, and without solid evidence to challenge it, the outcome was almost inevitable. The dismissal of the failure to yield charge shows the court still requires proof, but the speeding ticket, that was airtight. This case is a perfect reminder that confidence doesn't replace accountability. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and sign dotan dashi sharchanchin gan then forget that you sign darchan to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.
Eagle can't walk.
Eagles can't walk.
No, they don't walk. They fly fast and they
So
hunt.
eagle, you've never seen an eagle walk a day in your life.
No.
Wow. Well,
Anyway,
let me
Lamborghini
give you
doesn't go
a
slow.
lesson about birds, if I may. All birds can walk.
Oh, really?
Eagles walk, penguins walk, chickens walk. As a
Penguins walk, yeah.
as a matter of fact, there are some birds that prefer to walk rather than fly. Now, depending
Well,
on what
my Lambo is not one of them.
I'm sorry.
My Lambo is not one of them.
Okay, but my point is, your lamb can drive the speed limit.
With these shoes?
I don't care if you
Really?
drive barefoot.
Did you see the
will-
platform?
Ma'am, I don't care if you drive barefoot, but you will.
I think this is
respect-
discrimination against beauty. You are hot profiling me right now. Like, I can't believe that I get in this kind of trouble for driving my Lambo and enjoying my life. Like, seriously? Last time, all the time late everywhere. Now you want me to be even more late.
Okay. Do you have an appointment after this?
Yes, I have another photo shoot.
Okay. You know what? I got you. I'm gonna hook you up. I'm gonna make sure that you get to your appointment on time.
Thank
I am going to find you guilty. You're going to pay the $150 fine. That's it. It's over. I need you to
for
leave
what?
now. I don't want you to be late. Get out of my courtroom. Have a nice day.
This is hot profiling.
I think he was a little tough. Like, just a little tough.
I'm going to go get me a cup of coffee.
Just a little tough, though.
I also don't know what's wrong with Judge Porter. I tried to be nice with him. I think he has something against beautiful people. I don't know, even though he's handsome as well. I feel like this is hot profiling. This wasn't fair. They tagged me because I am foreign. I wasn't speeding. This is a Lambo, and there should be different rules for Lamborghinis. I'm disappointed. I don't know. Like, Mango Park, you suck.